Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about a major development, Pakistan to export 52 military aircrafts to the friendly country. In a major development, Pakistan to export 52 military aircrafts to the friendly country, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) is revealed. PAC is going to deliver the first installation of MFI 395 Super Mushak basic training aircraft BU to Turkey by June next year. The PAC officials told this to the Defense Turkey magazine during the recently concluded Dubai Airshow 2019 exhibition. According to PAC, the deliveries will continue every 6 months, and the order will be completed by the end of 2022 in 10 batches. In the first installation, Pakistan will hand over 3 MFI 395 Super Mushak aircraft. The Turkish Air Force will carry out the acceptance test, and after clearance, 7 more jets will be delivered by the end of 2020. The contract was signed on the 23rd of November 2016 in Karachi, while an official agreement was signed in May later that year in Istanbul. Under the project, PAC was expected to deliver 52 MFI 395 by 2017, which were due to replace the T-41 and SF-260D aircraft in the Turkish Air Force. However, due to unknown reasons, the delivery could not be started. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.